In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage budgets and billings in Wrike, which is an essential skill for effectively keeping track of your project's financial health. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, let's get started by logging into your Wrike account. Once you're in, take a look at the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu, select Settings. This is where all the magic happens regarding your project management tools and configurations. Now that you're in the Settings menu, you need to navigate to the Account Management section. Here, find the option for time tracking. It's vital to ensure that this feature is switched on. Why is that important? Well, enabling time tracking allows you to monitor labor hours spent on tasks. This information is crucial, as it directly impacts your project's labor costs. So go ahead and flip that switch if it isn't already turned on. Once time tracking is set up, let's move on to managing job roles. Still within the settings, look for the Job Role section. This area plays a significant role in defining how your team's contributions are accounted for in terms of billing. Click on the Job Role option to proceed. In this section, you'll want to create specific job roles that correspond to the professionals working on your projects. Click on the Create Job Role button to get started. This step is particularly important because it allows you to assign specific billing rates to different roles, which is essential for accurate billing and budget management. As you create a new job role, you'll need to enter the professional titles that reflect the actual positions within your team. For example, you might input titles such as designer, developer, project manager, and so on. After entering the title, make sure to assign the corresponding hourly billing rate. Setting this up correctly will ensure that when it comes time to bill clients or assess your project's financial progress, each role is accurately represented. Once you've defined all necessary job roles and their billing rates, you're well on your way to having a robust system for managing budgets in Wrike. But don't forget, it's essential to regularly review and update these rates if necessary. Keeping everything current helps in maintaining accuracy in your financial planning and reporting. Now that you've got your job roles set up, you can easily track how time spent on each task accumulates costs, which can provide valuable insights into your project's budget status. This allows you to make informed decisions about resource allocation, project timelines, and potential adjustments needed to keep everything on track. As we wrap up, managing budgets and billings in Wrike isn't just about assigning rates. It's about creating a streamlined process that helps you keep your projects financially healthy. I encourage you to take a little bit of time to set up your account settings properly. If you found this guide helpful, please like the video and consider subscribing to our channel for more tips and tricks on maximizing your efficiency in project management tools like Wrike.